In this video, I will show you how to build a cloud artifact to generate a personalized rate post in minute, whether you're building a SaaS, videos, and you wanted to promote and all for whole thing. So we build the complete structure and all. So let's start it. So explain the basic structure of the site work. So we build the prompts and all, the ChatGPT, the complete structure, what feature we want, the subreddit what we want. The complete thing was done by ChatGPT. So I will explain the complete structure and all. It will generate the prompt. So after that, you open the cloud, and the cloud should be the desktop version, not the web version. So it's very important because in the web version, the cloud artifact was not run. So genuinely, we're supposed to use the cloud desktop version and all. So after that in cloud, there is an option like cloud artifact. So after that, we open the cloud artifact and whatever prompts we generated, we're supposed to play based on the cloud artifact only. So that was the whole thing we're supposed to do. So this is the structure and all. So yeah. So first of all, you can see I generated the post. So you can see this is the all post was generated by the cloud artifact only. So we will need a personalized ad for that, and you can see the view, the 2K views, and I will show you the most few things. So this is the AI agent. So I posted 9 hours ago, and you can see the 7.9K views was gotten in 9 hours only. So that was a great thing. This thing was completely built by the cloud artifact. So let's build and start. So first of all, we open the chat GPT and I give the prompt like I wanted to build a very personalized SaaS for my personal use. So I'm asking chat GPT, so what feature you supposed to add? So you can see this is the feature was given by the chat GPT only. So this feature should add for the class Reddit post generation. So I give another post like I have given the option like 20 subreddit with the rules. So I want it like selected particular subreddit with adding the rules. So that type of option I want. So I'm giving the prompt. So whatever you want, you just prompt and give the complete structure and all. So I want like that I selected particular 20 subreddits and all sub rules were also added because the rules follows very important community. If you break the rules, then your post was get spam or banned. So that was a thing. So I am giving the prompt like add the rule one section. So this, the structure is like that. First you open supposed to select the subreddit. So means this type of subreddit you want. Then you selected the post type and all then applying rules. So that was the whole structure. So let's see. So after that, it give the all the options should add in the Reddit. So yeah, the option is good like add conversation mode, virtual mode, output mode. So this is a great thing. So add another model like system first prompt. So like I give the prompt which type of post want and it generated. So I want this feature. So I'm giving like prompt to add this feature. Like first we describe the post, which type of post I want, then it automatically generated that type of post related to that niche. So yeah, that was I selected. Let's see. So so after that I copy all the prompt and all. Then I ask like add the option button, which I mean the future I selected or selected not required. So it give the all structure like how the UI should work. So this is a giving the complete structure like what should add. So after that what I do, I selected top 5 and 10 subreddit what I want and what I do, I follow the rules page and paste it in the note file and all because if I wanted to post on our Reddit push community, so it automatically in backend apply all the rules like we suppose it does not give on guidelines. So that was the thing. So whatever post we want, we're supposed to add the rules. So I will show you the steps. So first of all, we added the community of our SaaS Reddit, and after that we copy the rules. So it rule was given in the right side like You're supposed to copy the rules. So AI will automatically analyze the rule, what not to do in the post, and it not create a spam or ban in our account like shadow ban and all. So that was the common thing. So you're supposed to check. So you can see this is all rules and all. So we copy all the rules and paste it in the note file. So let's do with all the community what I want. So which type of community you want, you selected the particular name of the community and then down the add the rules. That was great thing. We does not get any error and all. So yeah, I do with all the community what I want. So I take I think 5 to 10 community like inside every techniques. So you can see. So yeah, the total rules and subreddit was done. So after that, I opened the chat GPT and do the final step to build a subreddit display and all. So that was the whole thing. So I describing like I selected like this community and you backend like apply the rules and all. So that was giving the prompt. So after that, I copy all the thing whatever I and paste it in the ChatGPT. So whatever rules was there. So I giving the prompt like add in the backend and follow the rule which community I selected and giving that prompt and all means which type of the UI should work. So ChatGPT generated the prompt complete structure from to cloud. So we copy paste on that. That was the thing. So you can see. So it generated a complete prompt to copy paste on the cloud and it generated. So let's start. So we open the cloud. So this is the desktop version and we selected artifact and apps and websites. After that we pasted the complete prompt. So you can see and we using the free version, not a paid version. So it's able to work. So it analyzed completely and it asked the questions like which type of you want. So yeah, it started like what should the app look like. So it's giving the option like I think I selected the dark mode. So after that is ask another question like which feature do you want it to in the first version. So I that subreddit selections important and optional setting and post output with the copy button. So I selected all and yeah. So it's giving the structure like how the SaaS was working. So if it is error and all, so you can recheck and you can reconnect that. So that was a great thing. So the structure was completely right. What I has to build. So yeah, I giving the yes prompt and it generate starting. So the draft artifact was ready, and you can see the code was started and the whole SaaS was being ready. So it takes some time. So you can see the slides is completely ready. So let's check if it's able to work or not. So what I can genuinely all apply the rule perfectly. So let's see it's able to all button was working. So let's add another feature like add the name of the SaaS. Like I wanted my name. So my YouTube page name, so founder RX. So that was the thing. So I was supposed to add, and I want like red themes, so not a completely black theme. So these two things I wanted to add, and I giving the simply one prompt, and it's done with that only. So you can see it apply the name and the red theme was also applying the UI. So let's test in post idea. I giving the prompt like make a post on like what is your MRR. So that was a red post. So and I selected the subreddit. So I selected the side project and post type, it giving the four option like which type of post you want. So I like questionable post and hook style like curiosity and all. And what was the goal of the post? So I am selected like it's of promotion and all. And you can whatever you options should add, you can add easily by just giving the prompt. So I added that, and after that, by clicking the post, let's see it's able to generate or not. So the post was perfectly generated. So copy and the all option will work, and also the like, and there is a error like I want like Reddit button. Like if there is a Reddit option should there, I click, it's directly open the Reddit. So I want to give you another prompt to add this feature. So let's like the copy button was not working, so that was the another error. And I wanted like in the that there is option like Reddit button. If I click on Reddit, it automatically open the Reddit app, Reddit website, and we can post directly. So that was the whole thing added in the backend. So you can see I paste it. Let's see. So you can see the whatever I future should tell it's added perfectly like post type. So which type of post means the volume of the post option was from the number of posts I want. That option should also generate it. And let's see the read button was working or not. So that was the main thing. So I giving the same prompt like and let's do fast and let's click on generate post. You can see the post was generated and the Reddit option was also open. So let's first of all let's go to the open Reddit. So yeah, the link was open and let's is able to open my account and not. So it's perfectly open my account and you can see that was already pasted the title and it's also open which type of community I want. Like I selected this side project and yeah, the SaaS was working perfectly. You can use in any type of Reddit post. It automated and generated like all the complete thing without any cost. So that was the great thing and it's working perfectly. So yeah, let's try to post. So let's go to public and public the post. Let's see. So you can see the post was completely go to the public and all. So that was a great thing. So if you wanted to build this, this is a complete easy step. Only with the prompt you can build a complete cloud artifact. So yeah, that was the whole point of the video. So that's all.